Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over this 2021 Nissan Rogue Platinum all-wheel drive model here. But I would like to give a special thanks to HGreg Nissan for providing me with the Nissan Rogue. If you're in the market for a Nissan, you can come check out HGreg Nissan and ask for Gaby. She will get you into a new or pre-owned vehicle. But open up the hood here of the Nissan Rogue. Nissan has updated this powertrain here. This is a 2.5 liter four-cylinder. This makes 181 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque. Since Nissan updated it, it gave this thing 11 more horsepower and 7 more pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a CVT transmission. Nissan calls it an Xtronic CVT. As the Nissan Rogue sits, it weighs around 3,600 pounds because this has the all-wheel drive system. And properly equipped, Nissan says you can tow 1,500 pounds. Fuel economy is rated at 25 in the city, 32 on the highway, and 28 combined. But shedding the hood here of the Nissan Rogue, let's talk about the exterior styling here. This is the third generation of Nissan Rogue. The exterior styling is very bold, very aggressive. Since this is a platinum model here, this does come with full LED headlights with an LED turn signal, with an LED daytime running light. There's front parking sensors here. There's some chrome here in the grille. I like the V-motion grille here. This also has a front-facing camera. Since it's a top trim, this does come with that 360-degree camera. I like the grille pattern itself. But overall, the Nissan Rogue does have a more of an aggressive look. I want you guys to comment down below in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about the updated Nissan Rogue. Looking at the side profile, let's take a look at these tires and wheels here. These are a 235/55 Bridgestone tire. They're wrapped in this 19-inch rim design. I do like the silver here with the gray finish. There's this LED sight marker here on the mirror cap, and Nissan does offer a large panoramic sunroof here with these aerodynamic roof rails. The wheelbase here for the Nissan Rogue is at 106.5 inches with an overall length of 183. That's 3 more additional inches compared to a RAV4 and a Honda CR-V. Looking at the rear, let's start out with these taillights here. They're going to be an LED combination with an LED brake light with an incandescent turn signal and reverse light. There's this rear wiper here to keep the rear glass clean. There's a Nissan emblem. I like that Nissan has the Rogue name spelled out. Looking over here, there's the Platinum all-wheel drive badge. There's a standard backup camera with LED lights for the tag. There's some chrome trim here in the bumper. There's rear parking sensors. And I'm surprised to see that there's no visible exhaust trim. Nissan hides it underneath the rear bumper. But open up the cargo back here. Since this is the platinum trim, Nissan does equip this with a power opening tailgate. Once it opens up, it reveals 36.8 cubic feet of space. And to fold down the rear seats here, Nissan gives you this handle here on the side. Once you do that, that expands the cargo to 75 cubic feet of space. And underneath here, Nissan does give you some underfloor storage. Sitting inside the interior of the Nissan Rogue Platinum trim here, I do like this two-tone color combination here. There's this brown dashboard. There's some brown splash throughout the door panel materials. But shutting the door here, since this is the Platinum trim, this does have that 12.3 LCD display here. Very clean and crisp screen. This also has a heads-up display. Looking at the door panel materials, here's going to be a soft touch material. There's 2-person memory seats with this aluminum door handle, your lock controls and window controls here. It is automatic up, automatic down for the driver window. Nice area here to rest your elbows. There's some stitching here on the door panel, which looks really nice. There's that brown trim that I was talking about. Over here is for the active stir assist here, so this vehicle will keep you centered into the lane. There's the dimmer switches here with the trunk release. This is a manual tilt and telescoping wheel. The headlight and turn signal stock is there. The wind wiper stock is right here. I like the high quality leather here that you get on the steering wheel. There's some controls here on the steering wheel for the volume control. You can also customize this 12.3 inch display here via this scroll wheel here, so it can show you different stuff like your driver support, which this does have blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, and lane keeping assist. Over here is for the driver's assistance. This does have paddle shifters here to cycle through that CVT transmission. Nissan calls it an Xtronic CVT. But looking here, this is a 9-inch display. This does support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can use the USB ports there, or you can use the wireless function here. As you guys can see, my iPhone 12 Pro Max is down here. There's a wireless phone charger. Looking here, the touch response is very snappy. I like the bright screen here. There's a volume and tune knob. There's some hard buttons down here. The air vents, there's the hazard switch there. I like this LCD display down here to show you the climate control. There's 3-level heated seats here. There's a heated steering wheel button there. There's a USB-C with a USB port. The start-stop button is down there. Like I mentioned, my iPhone 12 Pro Max does fit in this wireless phone charger. Putting the Rogue into reverse here, just press on the side and swipe up here for the shifter, and it does reveal a top-down 360 view. There's trajectory with distance marker. This does have road cross traffic alert. Kicking it down here into drive, and you press P for park. There's two cup holders here. This is the Nissan key. I showed you guys this key before. This does have a remote start, a lock and an unlock, a trunk release, and a panic button. And down here is going to be some additional storage. Looking here, this is for the drive mode selector, which shows you a snow, there's an auto mode, off-road, and an eco mode there. Looking at this center console, is very nice and padded. It does reveal a double opening here. It does reveal a decent amount of storage. The seats in here, they're very supportive, they're very comfortable. I like the diamond quilted here. This only offers 3-level heated seats. There's no cool seats on the Nissan Rogue. Nissan does not offer that for this generation of Rogue. I like the fake wood trim here. It looks really good here on the dashboard. And the material is gonna be a nice soft touch with some more of that stitching. Open up the glove compartment here. It does reveal a decent amount of storage. And above me, there's this large panoramic sunroof here to let light into this cabin. It's gonna be incandescent lighting throughout the cabin. But overall, this cabin does look very modern and very upscale. But let's hop into the back seat of the Nissan Rogue. Getting to the back seat here, the Nissan Rogue Platinum here, shutting the door. The materials are gonna be a nice soft touch material. There's this manual sunshade here. That's very hard to find in this segment. Above me, there's this large panoramic sunroof here to let light into the cabin. Over here, there's your own set of rear air vents here. There's your own set of climate controls as well. There's 3-level heated seats. There's 2 USB ports. One is a type C. The floor back here is not flat, but you can fit 3 people across. And there's this recline function here that you can recline the seat ever so slightly here. But pulling this armrest down here, it does reveal 2 cup holders, and there's 2 mount pockets back here for storage. So starting off in the 2021 Nissan Rogue Platinum trim, this does have the all-wheel drive system. And like I mentioned, Nissan says you can tow 1,500 pounds properly equipped. Fuel economy here is rated at 25 in the city, 32 on the highway, and 28 combined. So this powertrain is very fuel efficient, but Nissan doesn't offer a plug-in variant or a hybrid powertrain. So if you're looking for that one powertrain option, Nissan does have this 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, which they updated for this year. This does make 181 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque. So it's up by 11 horsepower and 7 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a CVT transmission, but Nissan calls it an Xtronic CVT. And since they updated the powertrain, the ratios are better. The fuel economy is better for this generation of Rogue. I like this 12.3-inch digital display here. You also get this 9-inch display here. Very clear and crisp resolution here from both of these LCD displays. And Nissan does offer this heads-up display as well. Great commanding view of the road here. It does have Nissan's driver assistant, which includes forward collision warning, lane departure, lane keep assist, with active stir assist as well. So if you were drifting out of your lanes, you have to activate this button here once you have the cruise control set, and it will keep you centered in the lanes. This also has blind spot monitoring as well. The suspension here feels very soft, very planted. The ride quality is very cushy and very plushed. So this vehicle does have a really good riding dynamics. And this thing is full of tech. Like I mentioned, it has a heads-up display. I like this 9-inch display here. And like I mentioned, this does have the all-wheel drive system. So Nissan does give you this rotary knob here. You can go off-road. There's a snow mode here, an auto mode, and also an eco mode. But once you put your foot to the floor, you can hear that CVT. Of course, you guys know a lot of people don't like the sound of a CVT, but Nissan is trying their best to keep it muted as possible. I haven't driven the second generation of Nissan Rogue. I heard some complaints about that powertrain being very raspy and very loud. But this powertrain here is very quiet as well. Above me, there's this large panoramic sunroof here to let light into this cabin. I do like this 2-tone color combination here with the brown dashboard and also with the brown on the door panel itself. But the Rogue here, it handles really good going on these twisty roads here. But you're not going to be tackling back roads here. This car is not meant for the drag strip or anything like that. This car is to basically have your family in, and this thing drives extremely well. It handles really good around corners like this. but I have no complaints. The Rogue is a really good option. You do get some good tech, great powertrain. You also have really good fuel efficiency here from this 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. If you're looking to be very different in this segment here, this does have some really good rivals. What is the Honda CR-V, the Toyota RAV4, plenty of other competitors in the segment. If you're looking to be very different, I think the Rogue is a really good option. Starting price here for the Nissan Rogue Platinum trim is at $36,930 with the options and accessories including destination. The Nissan Rogue stickers for $39,610. Hope you guys have enjoyed this review. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at DriveOnReviews and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next review.